Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Allure Beauty Box for January. Let's get into it. Check it out. I've said that now and it's patently not true. This is clearly the December box. My box comes later in the month. This is the beginning of January. So this is our December box. I buy this box with my own money. It is $25. You get 6 products on the inside. They say 3 will be full sized. They also say we will have more than a $100 value. So let's just jump right in and see what's in this baby. I have had the Allure Beauty Box almost since the beginning of the channel. For quite some time, we went back and forth about whether we should keep it or not. We decided to keep it. Now we pretty much don't talk about that anymore because it's almost always good. The one thing I will say is if you are in it for makeup, this is not the box for you. It is almost always primarily skincare. That is what the front of our paperwork looks like. And when we open it up, ooh, she is full. That baby is full. This used to be so much fun because the inside of this used to be written from the perspective of a editor who had used it, and I could read it in her voice. Now it just gives us a little bit of information about each product, but that's okay too. We will start with Aquaphor. Repairing hand masks. Ooh, my hands could absolutely use some repair. Repair dry skin, restore soft, smooth, healthy looking cuticles. Deep breath, Catherine. I'm so happy to be back taping. I'm just too excited. Use it for hands and cuticles. Shea butter, avocado oil, and pro vitamin B5. That is what that looks like. And the paperwork says this is a sponsor. So I guess they paid to be in the box. Sweet relief for dry hands, chapped knuckles, and overlooked cuticles. This treatment soothes and hydrates with shea butter, avocado oil, and glycerin. Wear the gloves for 10 minutes while the moisturizing formula inside goes to work nourishing your hands. The included stickers help secure the gloves around the wrist so you don't have to sit there while you wear them. And there's no need to rinse off after you take them off. They have a $5.99 value. This is technically full size. Let's hope it's not one of our full size items. Next out, we have Bleu. Nailed it. It is B-L-E-A-U. Bleu. Nourishing Spirulina Clay Mask. That's a little one. That's what that looks like. Oh, look, you could have had one of 4 masks. I mean, when I say look, I guess I could show you and then you could look. They are all here. Hope you can see that. Bleu clay mask. So they're all clay masks. I wonder what makes mine special. Cozying up inside on a cold night with a good book or a show and a face mask turns an average evening into a relaxing one. You'll have one of 4 clay masks. Nourishing Spirulina, Illuminating Seaweed, Glacial Oceanic, or Revitalizing Algae. And each helps make the skin smoother and softer. So I have the Spirulina, which is the one they say is nourishing. So I will go online because I cannot get across to you how tiny that is. I will go online and see if the ingredients are ingredients I can use because nourishing this time of year, always a great idea. This is $39 for 80 grams and we received 15 grams. So this is about $7.50, about $7.50 if my math is right. Okay, next out we have something from Pixi. Pixi Plus Rose Radiance Perfector Skin Illuminating Enhancer. Ooh, I thought I was gonna have to open it back. I like the Pixi products, so I don't mind getting them in the box. I know some people don't like to receive drugstore brands, but I don't mind at all. If it's a good product, I don't really care where it came from. And so many, this isn't back in the day, where if you got it from a drugstore, it was a drugstore brand. A lot of the products do so much good research on their own that they are good products too. That is what it looks like. If you're after an illuminator that doesn't scream, I'm wearing highlighter, look no further. Inside this pink and green tube is an Allure Best of Beauty winner. The sheer, easy to blend liquid has a soft rose tint that brightens the high points of the face and a pearlescent finish that catches the light to make skin glow without looking made up. This is full sized and it has an $18 value. Oh, I just squeezed so much, so much on the back of my hand. You would never need that much on your face. Oh yeah, this is, I'm gonna treat it like a lotion. It's just got a nice, fresh, slightly floral scent. It did give my hand a little bit of a glow, not a lot. My favorite thing to do, I have a Fenty one that I'm using now, but I will set this aside for when that is gone. My new thing is I like to mix it in with my foundations. The last foundation that I bought is just that much too dark for me, and just mixing in a little bit of highlighter kind of breaks it down and makes it not look too dark. This feels really nice, and it absolutely, can you tell the difference? This is the hand I put it on. It gave my hand a glow without being too blingy. Yeah, I like it. Okay, next out we have Head and Hair Heal. It's a metal tube, so it looks kind of like it's seen better days, but I am sure it is absolutely fine. It is Maria Nila Head and Hair Heal Booster Mask. Winter isn't exactly kind to hair. It can make strands duller and statikier, and cute sweaters can cause knots. I mean, that's also true. I'm experiencing almost all of that today. But this rich floral scented hair mask with shea butter smooths frizz, gives a boost in the shine department, and makes detangling easier. It even soothes itchy scalps with aloe. After rinsing out your shampoo, spread a generous dollop over your hair and let it sit for about 3 minutes before rinsing. It is $9.90 for 50 ml, which is what we have. Let's see what it smells like. It's just open. It seems slightly thick, but not overly thick, just kind of like a lotion. Oh, it's very strong. It is a very strong floral. I like it. I will definitely try this. I am all about all the hair masks, so that is fun to receive. Next out, I have the Heritage Store Rosewater and Glycerin Hydrating Facial Mist. That is what that looks like. I like rose. I know some of you are not huge rose fans. I like rose, and it says like mascara and coffee. This unassuming pink bottle is a staple at makeup artist stations during fashion week and on shoots. The 3-ingredient facial mist preps skin and sets makeup for a natural looking dewiness we're all chasing come December. This is full-sized, and it is $8.49. It says that you can mist it directly on your face, or you can spray it on your makeup sponge to help with the blending in, and I really like that idea. It's a very nice mist. Oh, she smells like rose. Halt, stop. You might have guessed. It says rosewater and glycerin. Oh, it's lovely. Very, very lovely. A gorgeous rose scent. I like that a lot, and we'll definitely be trying it. All right, next out we have Elemis. Oh, it's a big one. Holy McTrolleys. This is a full-sized Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Wow, so $25 box, this way covers it. This is my backup. All winter long, I use the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Moisturizer. Sometimes I just want to give my face a break, and I use this, and then I go into this in the spring a lot of the time. I love this, and it's one of the few things that doesn't seriously irritate my sensitive skin. Elemis' moisturizer takes a Hippocratic approach to skincare. Do no harm. It delivers smoother and softer skin without irritation, or our beauty pet peeve, pilling. It works so well because it's low-key but highly effective blend of moisturizers and emollients like glycerin and dimethicone. Is that bad that it has a dimethicone in it? Let me know below if I should be worried. And it's got a trace of a soft floral scent, rose and mimosa. This has never smelled like rose to me. It is $93 for 30 ml. So this is not technically, and I'm sure that they're considering it one of our full-size products. I don't know that you can buy, I'll let you know here, I'll look it up later. I don't know that you can buy 30 ml. I think it might start at 50. I could be wrong. Don't shoot the messenger. $93 value, and I love it. Absolutely not complaining. But I don't know that you can buy a 30 ml. And last out, we have the Billie Cool Blue Starter Kit. Yay! I've kind of wanted to try the Billie Razor, so this is super fun. Let's find out about it. Billie Razor Starter Kit in Cool Blue. One editor with ultra-sensitive skin says this Allure Best in Beauty winner is a rare razor that gives her a smooth shave without bumps or irritation. Something we can all appreciate as winter zaps our skin of moisture. The unusually cute handle with a minimalist aesthetic is easy to grip on its rubber back. And this has a $10 value. So it's just, I mean, let's see if we can easily take it out. It looks like it's very basic. I mean, they say minimalist aesthetic. Oh, I almost slammed it down. I did knock off whatever this is. I'm not sure where this goes. Maybe it was separate of it in there. This is the razor. That is a really wide razor head. It's kind of triangular shaped underneath. Smooth on top. Very minimalist. I suspect that... Oh, it's magnetic. So you stick this to your tile or whatever you have in your tub if you want. And then this just... That's kind of fun. I like that. I will absolutely be giving this a try. I love to try new razors. Oh, and it comes with a backup razor. That is very good for $10. Have you guys tried buying razors lately? You gotta go to the bank and get a loan out before you do that. I love to try new razors. My favorite is, oh, what's the one I use? I said that like it was just gonna roll off my tongue. Is it the Venus? I'll let you know that here too. I received and tried one of the refreshments from Ipsy. It's a great shave, don't get me wrong, but the strip on it is so slimy. I can't bear the feel of it. And I thought it would go away, but about the time that it goes away, the razor needs to be replaced. So it wasn't my favorite. We will try this Billy. That's kind of fun. We received the Billy razor, this Heritage Store Rosewater and Glycerin Mist, the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. We know we love that. A nice hair mask, the Pixie Radiance Perfector, the little Bleu face mask, and the Aquaphor hand mask, which I have to tell you, there's some really good stuff in this box. I will use that and that. I might try that if I can. Yeah, I'm using all of this. I'm using all of it, and I may be most excited about that hand mask. My hands, it's like it's the first place that my age is really showing. I'm sure that somebody's written down somewhere that that's absolutely true, and it's going to be the first place that your age shows, but for some reason, I still feel shooketh. I just feel shooketh. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by. That was our Allure Beauty Box. It was December's box. It was a fantastic box for $25. I mean, we have $93 just in Elemis and then everything else. So if you can use the Elemis, if you like it, that is a crazy good box. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you spending the time here with me, especially in this new year. I know you are probably crazy busy. I hope if you don't already subscribe, you will consider subscribing to the channel. Give us a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.